Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried eggs in the microwave. This method is incredibly fast and simple, perfect for a quick breakfast or snack. You'll learn how to get a beautifully cooked egg with a firm white and a delicious, runny yolk, all without a stovetop. It's a convenient way to enjoy a classic fried egg in minutes, using only a few basic items you likely already have. First, let's gather what you'll need. Grab one large egg, fresh from the refrigerator. You'll also need a microwave-safe plate or a small bowl, which will be your cooking vessel. Finally, have a tiny bit of butter or a light cooking oil on hand to prevent sticking and add flavor. These simple items are all it takes to get started on your microwave fried egg. Now, for the cooking. Lightly grease your microwave-safe plate or bowl with butter or oil. Carefully crack one egg onto the center of the greased surface. Crucially, use a toothpick or fork to gently pierce the yolk once or twice to prevent it from exploding. Then, microwave your egg on medium power for about 45 to 60 seconds. Keep a close eye on it as it cooks. After the initial cooking, check your egg. If the white isn't fully set or you prefer a firmer yolk, microwave for an additional 10 to 15 seconds. Remember, microwave wattages vary, so adjust the time as needed for your perfect consistency. Once cooked, immediately season your hot egg with salt and pepper to taste. Serve it right away on toast or as part of your favorite meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.